front of me is HONOR Magic8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by picking any app you wanna use in this view on the top half of your screen. Then click on it and launch it in the background. Now, in order to access it in split screen, you need to open it in pop-up view first. To do that, click on this icon at the top right corner. Then tap on blue line at the top of your window and select split screen. After you click on it, tap on the second app and enjoy using both at once. If you wanna go back from this mode, you can either go back into background apps and swipe them, or hold those three dots in the middle and drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then hit home button. Quick tip, if you want to, you can always click on the same three dots and this way switch places of your apps. Or if you are using those apps in split screen often, click on Save. Then close your apps and look for a shortcut that was just created. When you click on it, you will be able to use those apps in split screen right away. To get rid of it, just hold it and tap on Remove. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!